Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete vocabulary and grammar section from chapter number 10, Dear Dad. So, in vocabulary, informal English. In the lesson, the language is used is in informal. Informal language is used between people who know each other well. जैसे तुम लोग दोस्तों के साथ में बात करते हो ना अपने, वो कौन सी लैंग्वेज होती है? इनफॉर्मल लैंग्वेज. इनफॉर्मल लैंग्वेज इज पर्सनल, रिलैक्स एंड ऑफन ह्यूमरस. Some examples of informal words are newsy, rubbish, shell out, shivery, broke, and so sad. So, exercise A, fill in each blank with that informal word or phrase. First, I have spent all my money. Currently, I am broke. Second, he said the sentences were rubbish. Third, even after the lunch break was over, the boys went on playing. Fourth, the officer asked him to check his personal details filled in the form. Fifth, when you visit your grandparents, say hello to them. Then sixth, the crook has been arrested by the police. Then next, portmanteau words. Portmanteau words blend the sounds and meaning of two words. For example, hungry plus angry, hungry. Second, lion plus tiger, liger. Then Bombay plus Hollywood, Bollywood. Chinese plus English, Chinglish. You can find many portmanteau words used in the newspapers. Words like motel and brunch are portmanteaus. So exercise B, read the definitions and fill in the blanks with correct portmanteau words from the box. And also write the two words combined to form each portmanteau word. First, a person who spends a lot of time during online activities, netizen. Internet plus citizen. Then second, a form of air pollution, that is mixture of both smoke and fog, smog. Smoke plus fog. Third, a video camera connected to a computer, webcam, web plus camera. Fourth, entertainment that has an educational value, edutainment, education plus entertainment. Fifth, the use of keyboard characters to represent a facial expression, emoticons, emotion plus icon. Sixth, to surprise or shock someone so much that the person is unable to speak, dumbfound, dumb plus confound. Seventh, a global system of interconnected computer networks, internet, interconnected plus network, internet. Eighth, a story, speech or novel that contains historical and real life facts combined with invented information, faction, fact plus fiction, faction. Then malapropism. Malapropism is a funny misuse of words, especially mistaking a word for another word. जैसे एग्जाम्पल देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, The boy calls a boarding school a boarding school. बोर्डिंग स्कूल को क्या, कौन सा स्कूल कहा है? बोर होने वाला स्कूल. C. Read the sentences carefully and underline the malapropism in each. Also write the correct word whose jumbled spelling is given as a clue. First, do you know there are three angles in a triangle? क्या चाहिए यहाँ पर? Angles, ANGLES. यहाँ पर spelling देखो angles का क्या लिखा है. Then second, I am pleased to accept the gift. Then third, the brakes on a bicycle work by friction. Fourth, punctuality means doing things on time. Fifth, he had to use a fire extinguisher to put out the fire. Sixth, he is a wolf in sheep's clothing. Seventh, mom says the monster is just a figment of my imagination. Eighth, my sister has an extraordinary perception. 9. We are completely against racial discrimination. 10. The students are performing experiments in the laboratory. 11. Nobody knows the nationality of the author as the book is anonymous. 12th, my neighbor Anne, aspiring guitarist, practices for hours every day. Then grammar section, reported statement. We can use direct speech or reported speech to report what somebody says. And in direct speech, we repeat the speaker's exact word and put quotation marks. यहाँ पर देखो एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं. द गर्ल से टू हर फादर, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखा है, व्हाई इज द डॉग बार्किंग. द गर्ल आस्क्ड हर फादर व्हाई द डॉग वाज बार्किंग. Exercise A. Complete the sentences using reported speech. First, who is your teacher? Rita asked me who my teacher was. Second, why did she take so long to come? Raza asked them why it took them so long to come. Third, where did you study before? I asked the new boy where he had studied earlier. Fourth, where are you going? Aryan asked me where I was going. Fifth, how long are your holidays? Zara asked Zoya how long were her holidays. Sixth, where did you live before? He asked me where I lived earlier. Seventh, when will the new session start? The boys asked the teacher when the new session will start. 8. Who is the head of the art department? The man asked the receptionist who the head of the art department was. Then 9. Why did you lose the match? Answer. Mr. Nanda asked the team why they had lost the match. 10th. When will the project get finished? The teacher asked the students when the project will finish. Then next, reported questions. Reported questions use the structure of declarative sentences. The auxiliary verbs are do, does, did are not used in reported questions. WH words questions जैसे whom, why, where वो सारे यहाँ पर यूज किए जाएंगे. B. Imagine your friend asked you these questions yesterday. Change them into reported questions. Is that car yours? मैंने ये आंसर सारे नेक्स्ट पेज पर लिखे हुए, मैं सारे आंसर पढ़ के आपको बताती हूँ. फर्स्ट, माई फ्रेंड आस्क मी इफ इट वॉज माई कार. सेकेंड, माई फ्रेंड आस्क मी इफ आई जॉग एवरी डे. थर्ड, माई फ्रेंड आस्क मी इफ आई हैड गॉन टू द माउंटेन्स लास्ट समर. Fourth, my friend asked me if my brother knew cycling. Fifth, my friend asked me if Samir had visited me since he had left the town. Sixth, my friend asked me if my sister played cricket when she was young. Seventh, my friend asked me whether I was going to her birthday party. Eighth, my friend asked me if my cousin owned a pet. Then next, reported commands, request and advice. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स आपको बताती हूँ. कमांड्स. द टीचर से टू द स्टूडेंट ओपन योर बुक्स. ये क्या हो गई? कमांड दी उन्होंने. द टीचर टोल्ड द स्टूडेंट्स टू ओपन देयर बुक्स. अब रिक्वेस्ट कैसे करेंगे? द बॉय से टू हिज मदर प्लीज कॉल मी ऑन संडे. द बॉय रिक्वेस्टेड हिज मदर टू कॉल हिम ऑन संडे. द वुमन से to her son, you shouldn't eat junk food. ये क्या हुआ? Advice. The woman advised her son not to eat junk food. Exercise C. This is what your mother said to you yesterday. Change the sentences into reported speech. Next page पर आंसर्स दिए हैं, मैं आंसर पढ़ के बताती हूँ आपको. First one. My mother asked me to call her once I reached home. Second, my mother requested me to close the door. Third, my mother told me not to play with the matches. My mother advised me to study hard. Then fifth, my mother told me to clean my room. Sixth, my mother requested me to water the plants. Seventh, my mother told me not to bother my brother. Eighth, my mother asked me to come home early.